In this video, we're going to discuss properties of circles and intersection points of those circles. So let's start off by making a line segment. With this line segment, we are going to create a circle that has the same radius as the line segment. And as you can see, as we adjust the radius, the circle adjusts with it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a line that passes through the center of our circle and this other point. This is just simply so as we move circles along a line, they'll all stay together. So now let's construct another circle with, again, the radius of this line. And as we can see, as we move it across this line, it's just going to stay nice and easy. The intersection of these two circles we'll label as these 2 points. So as we can see, as the circles do not intersect, there's no intersection. But as they start getting close together and collide, 2 dots appear. And as we can see, as the circles move all along this line, up until this point, it has only intersected the circle at 2 points. Once we get to this point, where the circles are on top of each other, there's an infinite number of points on this circle that are touching each other because they're right on top of each other. And as they start moving away, the circles stay. There's still only 2 points. Now this is what happens when you have 2 circles that are the same. What happens if you have 2 circles that are not the same length? We have a smaller circle in this case. We notice when they intersect, there's going to be 2 points. But when the small one is inside of the bigger one, they don't intersect, and then they intersect again at 2 points. When the circle is bigger than the other one, the same case is going to happen, only this is going to act as the smaller circle. We see that they intersect at 2 points, and then 2 points again, and keep going along. Now there's 2 special cases that I want to talk about. One case is when the circles are on top of each other. In that case, they are all touching all the points. There's an infinite number of points along the circle's edge that are touching each other. When it's bigger than the other one, there are no points where it touches. There are no points when it touches over here. Now let's talk about what happens when you have a circle touching only at 1 point. So let's hide this object. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Hide object. There we go. We will now construct another circle that intersects this circle only at 1 point. And as you can see, as we move this, the radius gets bigger and bigger, but it only intersects at 1 point. Even if we get it really small, when it crosses, it's so small it is only 1 point. And as long as it's smaller than our other circle, it will only intersect at 1 point. So as soon as we hit here, it intersects at infinite number of points because it's the same circle, and as it gets larger and larger and larger, it only intersects at 1 point. So in review, we have a circle that intersects at 1 point. Then we can construct a circle that intersects at 2 points by just making any circle, any size. And the intersection, as long as it crosses, it will always intersect at 2 points, no matter where we drag our circle. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. And then if we have circles that are the same size, then they will intersect at 2 points, and as soon as the centers get together, they'll intersect at an infinite number of points, and then they'll intersect at 2 points once again. So you have 2 circles that intersect at no points. When they touch right on the tip, they intersect at 1 point. Then they intersect at 2 points. They intersect at an infinite number of points, 2 points, back to 1 point. And that concludes the exploration of circles.